Alright guys, we're out with Joe doing some quarter-mile testing. First time ever in this car.
Maybe 8th mile. Let's go 8th mile.
You might do 8th mile the first one? Yeah,
Nah.
she'll probably let off. He doesn't know yet. He'll get a feel for it once he gets out there. But yeah, so we're doing some Friday night testing before we hit streetcar takeover tomorrow. And Joe is running the quarter tonight. Hopefully we're going to beat some of this weather. What do you think?
Well, it's going to be close.
Yeah, it's coming
They
for
gotta
sure.
get going.
Yeah, they need to get going. The track is actually not very good so far.
It's not great.
So hopefully some people start laying down some rubber here. Joe just made his second pass, turned it up just a little bit more, but he got his first 7-second pass, so it's gonna be really cool when he comes back to see what he says. But car still has a shit ton more left in it, but it went 7, so that's really cool. Here's Mr. 7-second Streetcar Joe in the building. Hey, you got it! No big deal. So Joe went so fast on this pass, he decided to rip the chute. It's only the second time pulling it, he rips it. Brady, how good are you at knot time?
I don't know.
Are you a knot time connoisseur?
No, I didn't make it through Boy Scouts.
Where's the paper, Joe? Can we show him the paper? Come on.
Not until tomorrow. Oh, when's the video post?
Monday, Tuesday?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, all right. Videos are always behind, people.
Yeah, I don't want this getting out before the races go tomorrow.
Sneaky. Oh, there we are. Joe's first 7. Badass. Look at that. You guys will get to see some faster passes tomorrow, Saturday. Today's Friday. But yeah, still turned down too. Pretty cool though, man. Alright guys, so Joe let out on that last pass. It started to sprinkle a little bit, so he didn't want to stay into it. But he's going to get one more pass in. He's just trying to get the 8th mile down. He knows he's got the power for the quarter, so he's just trying to get one more 8th mile test pass. Kennedy! Easy, Ken dog. Looks like Derek Kelly and Joseph going to line up. This should be good. You guys are gonna want to see this. This is gonna be a race right here. This is gonna be a race right here. just 8th.
8 mile. Half 8 mile. Let's go. Raining down there. I'm just on 8 mile.
8th mile.
60 foot. 60 foot. 8 mile.
8th mile. That's big.
Good?
Very good. How to Talk Shit 101 starring Brady Matisek.
I don't know what you're talking about.
So Joe just did a little grudge race. You could tell Joe was mad. They're about to tell him to stop because it's starting to rain right now. But Joe was like, nope, we're doing it. I don't care if it's raining. So they let him do the 8th because it's actually raining at the end of the track, and now it's starting to sprinkle down here. But that was pretty cool. They got to see Joe and Derek Kelly race. Have they ever raced before?
Yeah, a few times. Derek Kelly's had our number.
Yeah.
I think we beat him one time in Edinburgh with the Corvette.
Oh, really?
2 years ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, not now.
He's a lot faster now.
Yeah, he's got a heck of a motor. Heck of a setup.
Yeah, he's got a pretty fast car nowadays, but so does Joe.
Oh, I think she made it for tomorrow. Here, let me. Okay, I'll go ahead and make this now, and then I'll cancel your one for tomorrow. How's that sound? Unless you want to say tomorrow night.
No.
Okay. What's that car number? You're good to go.
Alright, so tonight.
Yes, you're checking it, because I think she made it for tomorrow for the 11th, checking out on the 12th, because they said there was one in here. You are a member, correct?
Yeah.
You said yes. Okay, so I will go and I'll add this to your reservation today, so that way we can make sure you get your points. But yes, you're good to go for tonight.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Well, I'm glad you
Yeah,
called.
I'm glad you told me to call, Jamie.
Well, either way, even if you booked tomorrow, you should have still received.
Yeah, I
a
still didn't get a confirmation.
email. Yeah, that's the thing.
Yeah, we're not gonna have a hotel even now. Are you filming this?
Yeah, he is.
I should have kept in the part where you listed your credit card number.
He didn't think that was funny.
Yeah, I wonder what she bought with it. Because obviously you didn't get a hotel room with it.
Mexico, isn't it? So, David, you getting good video, or were you using the big camera all night?
Big camera, fool.
Okay. So you'll have some good video.
Yeah, Brady was on the other side. We can plug my SD into your laptop.
I was just curious. I was sleeping. Now, I wasn't even sleeping that bad. Like, I went at 100 on the light.
Did
but
you
he
never?
went
You
quick.
never sleep on the tree. What the hell are you doing?
It was fucking raining.
You making a
It
sandwich?
was raining.
No, it wasn't.
I was watching the drip, 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 drip.
Excuses.
Oh, no, it was. I assure you it was raining.
I think it's making a sandwich.
All right. Where are we going to eat?
I'm looking at restaurants, but I don't know where we
Well,
are.
I'm going to start driving. You hit the little arrow thing and take your current location. Just going to point that out.
Joe, thoughts on going through the quarter the first
I
time?
hate it.
He does.
Nothing cool about it.
It seems boring.
It's scary.
Like a sandwich on the back half.
Yeah, there's nothing fun about it. No. Unless I have to, I will not be doing it tomorrow.
Brady, thoughts on how the car did?
Slow.
Oh,
Wow.
dang.
Kick to the balls.
Yeah.
Joe's out here handing out L's and Brady just kicks him in the
right? We
balls.
just out 60-footed one of the hottest turbo Mustangs out there that just beat some of the hottest nitrous grudge cars in the world. And you're telling me it's slow.
Yeah, because I know the potential of the car.
You don't even know what a 60-footed, the last one.
I know it wasn't fast. I saw it.
It was the fastest of the night.
I bet you it wasn't a 1-1.
I bet you'd lose. How much you want to bet? I'm still taking that bet. And what's crazier, it wasn't even a 119 or 118.
I might need to see a slope.
Yeah, I don't have a slope. It's in the car. Oh, I may have it. No, I think it's in the car.
Brady is retracting his previous
It
statement.
didn't look that fast.
Oh, 60-foot Bam Bam.
You were sleeping.
I was sleeping. I gotta work on that light for tomorrow.
I'd like to thank our new sponsor, Forest River Gummy Bears, for their support this weekend.
Shout out,
Like Twin Peaks for making me fat and slow tonight.
shout out Country Inn.
Shout out Country Inn. We still don't have a hotel to stay at.
second pair. Does that make sense to everyone? The green chip is going to be the...
Oddly enough, the truck still drove off the track and onto the trailer.
I'm going to start to... Well, actually, we'll do ladies
Every
first.
ounce of Rotella that was in that truck
Okay.
was on the racing
Boy, all right, we'll start left or right then.
That's why you got to yell. Because that is
quit yelling.
This right here is a pretty easy cleanup. I know it seems like it's taking a little bit of time, but those guys are working.
I can see the cars. Nick wants the microphone so bad. 8-ball type cars. Forward for North Jackets.